Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jet sled hitch is probably one of the most convenient and efficient ways to transport gear across snowy or icy terrains, making your outdoor adventures much easier and enjoyable. This video will cover everything you need to know about jet sled hitches, from understanding their components to selecting the right one for your needs and ensuring safe and efficient transportation of your gear in challenging winter conditions. Number 5. Shappell Jet Sled. It makes hauling your ice fishing gear effortless. This handy sled protects your equipment and won't weigh you down while you pull it. This extra-large sled tows anything from ice gear to firewood. It's perfect for ice fishing, hunting, and hauling supplies. With its rope, it's easy to tow to and from your destination. Its contoured hull makes hauling gear and even larger items simple. Made of rugged polyethylene, it's heavy-duty without feeling heavy. It measures 54 by 25 by 10 inches and includes a tow rope. Molded runners provide strength and a smooth ride. It glides effortlessly across ice, snow, or uneven terrain. What we like. This ice fishing sled is easy to pull, thanks to its design and rope. It's not just for ice fishing, it's great for hauling various gear. If you need a rugged sled for diverse outdoor activities, this is the one for you. What people say. It slides easily on as little as 1/64 of an inch of snow barely covering the leaves. If the leaves are completely covered with snow, it is even easier. It really reduces the effort needed to haul the wood. Made pulling gear out of the woods super easy. Pulling up to a mile each time. Mostly a one-person task. Steep uphill pulls easy with two pulling. Pulled over stone, snow just glides and small tree dead falls with no issues. Well built. It glides 3+ times better than any other snow sled we have. It's extremely durable. We've crashed into rocks and logs, and it has no dents. Number 4. Digger ATV Hitch Mount. This innovative mount makes towing your sled or ice fishing house a breeze. It's designed for easy installation and secure towing. It's compatible with most ATVs and snowmobiles, providing a versatile solution for your winter adventures. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind it offers. Haul your heavy sled effortlessly. It's built to handle the weight, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. Transport your ice fishing shanty with ease. It's the perfect accessory for a successful day on the ice. Installation is quick and simple, requiring minimal tools. Get back to enjoying your outdoor activities faster. It's made from high-quality materials, built to withstand the toughest conditions. You can count on it for years to come. What we like. This hitch is designed for ATVs and snowmobiles, making it perfect for pulling heavy loads. It's built tough and easy to transport. If you need a reliable hitch for your ATV or snowmobile to tow large sleds, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This product is very well made. We used it to attach our jet sled to our snow dog. Worked well. No modifications needed. Sturdy product. Light and very strong. Easy to install, comes with a great template for the sled. Pulls great. Number 3. Extreme Max Hitch. This versatile hitch is designed to fit most sleds, making towing easier than ever. Its adjustable width and clevis pin ensure a secure connection to your ATV, UTV, or snowmobile. It easily adjusts to fit sleds with minimum width of 19 inches and maximum width of 32 inches. No more struggling with ill-fitting hitches. The clevis pin hitch makes connecting to your ATV, UTV, or snowmobile a breeze. Simply attach and go. With its clever pivot points, it connects to vehicles of different heights without needing readjustment on the sled. Save time and effort. It mounts securely through the sled side walls using backer plates to prevent pull-through during towing. Tow with confidence. It features a black powder coat finish and stainless steel hardware for superior rust and damage protection. Built to last. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware for a quick and easy installation. Get yours today. What we like. This hitch is compatible with most sleds on the market because of its adjustable design. It connects easily to various vehicles. If you need a versatile hitch that fits various sleds and vehicles, this is the one for you. What people say. Works like a charm. I used to drag the blower behind me and wrench my arm out every time. Now it's a breeze. Exceptionally well made with superior material. Tow bar works great pulling the sled with my four-wheeler. I was very pleased with the construction of this hitch and wouldn't hesitate to buy it again. I like that the attachment is to the sides of the sled so that the loads are transferred through shear, instead of pull-out tension as in other alternative hitches which bolt to the face of the sled. All the components are rugged and feature Nylock SS bolt hardware. Number 2. Pelican KIT Tow Hitch. This heavy-duty tow hitch is designed for easy towing of your utility sled. It's built to last and makes getting your equipment where you need it simple and efficient. It's a perfect match for your Trek 60 and Trek 75 sleds. This hitch ensures a secure and stable connection every time. This hitch features a convenient quick-release system. Attaching and detaching it is quick and easy, saving you valuable time. You'll receive 2 hitch brackets, 2 backing plates, and all the necessary hardware for a complete installation. Everything you need is right in the box. Transport your utility sled effortlessly to any location. It's the perfect solution for hauling your equipment with ease and confidence. It features a double spring-loaded coupler that absorbs shocks, ensuring a smooth ride for your sled and protecting your equipment. It's made from high-quality metal for superior strength and durability. You can count on it for years of reliable service. What we like. This tow hitch features a quick-release system for easy on and off. It's made of durable metal and built to last. If you need a reliable and convenient tow hitch for your utility sled, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install and rugged. If you have a Pelican sled, get this receiver, it's really well built. Fit our Pelican sled perfectly without need to modify anything. Can be easily removed from sled if needed. No rough edges. Came boxed and wrapped with no problems or missing parts. Number 1. Shappell Jet Sled Hitch. This innovative hitch makes connecting your sled to your ATV or snowmobile easier than ever. Its unique design ensures a secure and reliable connection, every time. It's designed to work with a wide variety of sleds. No more struggling with incompatible hitches, this one fits them all. The arms adjust to fit sleds from 3 to 22 inches wide. This ensures a perfect fit for your sled, regardless of size. It seamlessly integrates with both ATVs and snowmobiles. Take your sled anywhere with ease and confidence. Connecting your sled is quick and easy thanks to the innovative pinless design. Simply attach and go, no pins or complicated mechanisms required. The Shappell Jet Sled Hitch, model JSH, offers unparalleled convenience and reliability. Upgrade your sled hauling experience today. What we like. This hitch has adjustable arms for a customized fit and a pinless connection for quick and easy attachment. It's simple to use and very convenient. If you value ease of use and a secure connection, this hitch is for you. What people say. This is the perfect length and feels strong. Easy to install and easy to remove for storing. This product works great and hooks up easily. It pulls a lot better than with rope. I was towing my sled with a rope tied to my snowmobile and it would tip and ride right and left on the trail, and when I stopped the sled would slam into the back of the snowmobile. This hitch cured those problems. The sled tracks great even at 40 miles per hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.